Our hypothesis was that the potatoes would shrink when they were in an environment that was more hypertonic, and they would swell if they were in an environment that was more hypotonic.
Okay. So how were you gonna like measure this in your lab?
So we measured it by weighing the potatoes before the experiment and then weighing them again afterwards
And what was the purpose of weighing them?
to show the difference of water concentration in the potato cells.
Okay. So what were your variables?
Our independent variable was the type of solution we put the potatoes in, and the dependent variable was the change in weight after they were placed in the solution.
And did you use water as a control?
We actually used the size of the potato as a control.
Okay. So was the size of your potato a constant?
It was.
And how did you cut your potato?
We used the cork borers, so they were all the same width and same size.
Okay. And were they the same weight? Like, did you measure the weight in addition to
They were
cutting them the same?
approximately the same. They differed a little bit, but we just compared the weights of the same potato before and afterwards.
The differential.
Right.
And so, how much of each solution did you use?
We used about 50 milliliters.
Okay. And so, what did you end up finding out? Like, was your hypothesis correct?
Our hypothesis was correct because the potatoes that had gained mass were in a hypotonic solution, and the potatoes that lost mass were in a hypertonic solution.
Okay. So, did you have any like major sources of error?
Some sources of error, our measurements of the water that we put the potatoes in weren't exact, and also the original sizes weren't exact for each potato.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.